Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So first, all you have to do is go to Google web browser and web browser, and then you have to go to Gumroad website, start selling, create an account here. If you don't have one, then all you have to do is to select from any of this method. For me, the easiest way to create an account here on Gumroad is by just connecting it to my Google account. So tap on Google, then it needs your two-factor authentication. You have to open your Gmail or email and then enter the code right here and then continue. And here is the Gumroad dashboard. All you have to do is to simply build your profile. Then once you're done, you have to look for create new products. So tap on products, or you can go to products, tap on the products option or section on the left side, and you can see their new product. Now you're going to publish your first product. All you have to do is to enter the title or the name. And then you have your option here of what product you're about to sell. So you have options like ebook, digital product, course or tutorial, membership, and so on. So for example, you're going to sell ebook here on your Gumroad. Tap ebook, enter the price here, and then you can now tap next. And then here you can fill in more information like the name, the description of your product. And then you can also copy this URL right here if you want to share your URL or your site. Just click this copy and then scroll down here. You can upload an image, like first image or front cover of your product, also thumbnail. And then after that, here you can add product info, call to action, and you can also add the information of your pages here. You can also toggle on integrations below. And once you're done adding information of your product, then all you have to do is tap on the save and continue button above. And if you don't have any changes at all, then you can now publish your product. Share your link, share your site, and people will visit your site and will purchase or will buy this product, specifically your ebook product here. And that's how easy it is to sell digital products on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.